Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So today I will guide you how you can compress the video size in Adobe Premiere Pro. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. So first you have to insert the video in this window. So just double click and select the video. So after inserting the videos in this window, just drag and drop the video in this other window. So after dragging the video in this window, just go to top, here file, click, go to export and then media. So here you see the window. You can see that here in bottom line the estimated file size is 180 MB. If you click here video and then scroll down, go to bitrate settings, and in bitrate settings target bitrate is 10. So again go to top, and from here if you change this preset high bitrate to medium bitrate, then you can see from here the target bitrate is reduced from 10 to 3 and the estimated file size is reduced, and now the estimated file size is 55 MB. And you can also reduce the file size from here, bitrate settings. You can also reduce the bitrate, but careful, if you reduce the bitrate too much then you will get not good quality video. If you need drop down further, you can click here and reduce the target bitrate, and you see the estimated file size is again reduced from 55 MB to 38 MB. So like this you can reduce the file size by setting the target bitrate, or if you from here select the medium bitrate, then from here you can also reduce the file size or video size. So after reducing the file size, just go to export. So guys, hope you understand how you can reduce or compress the video file size in Premiere Pro. So if you have any question regarding to this video, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.